What's good, my people? So Arichain has opened up the Discord registration bot again, and this time around, you can now register your information, your in-app information on the Arichain Discord server, right? And this time you got to be fast. You got to do this fast because as at the time of creating this video, we just have about 2 days and 21 hours to complete this. So you got to be fast, all right? So if you head over to Discord right now and head over to Arichain server, which is this. If you open Discord because of Arichain, the Discord server that will be there is only going to be the Arichain server, right? And if I click on Arichain right here, you get to appear on this very Discord server, right? This is how it's going to look like. Now, I've explained this a lot of times, right? I've explained this times without number. I've created a video, a long form video for this, and I've also created a short form video on how to carry out this very process, which is the Discord account registration. But I'm still going to repeat this here, but I'm not going to show you the exact step. If you want to watch the exact step on how to complete this, I'll leave the video in the description of this very video. All right, so if you come over to this very section right now, you want to click on this very section that says how can account registration, under this very one that says Ari account registration bot, right? So this is what you're meant to click on. Now if you click on this, it would appear at this very page. You don't have to read the instruction. I'm going to put you through regarding that. So just come over here and click on this very Ari chat. You see this blue ticked Ari chat right here. Just click on it, and once you click on it, you're going to see this very chat right here. Now by default it's going to be empty, so you want to click on this very one that says message. Then you come over to your phone symbol section, right? You click on it, come over to your phone symbol section, and you have to type in the keyword slash. Type in this slash symbol right here, and once you do, you get to see this very bot right here that says Ari account registration bot. This is what you are meant to click on, right? Ari account registration bot, right? Mine appeared at the frequently used because I have registered mine, right? But in your case, you're not going to see the frequently used if you're doing this for the first time. This is how it's going to appear. So just go ahead and click on this Ari account registration bot right here, and once you click on it, it would appear on your message box right here. And once it does, go ahead and click on this message button right here, this blue message button, and once you do that, it's going to bring up this prompt, right? And this prompt is going to ask you to enter your EVM wallet address right here, enter your Twitter handle and your Ari wallet address. These are the three things you are meant to enter, and once you enter them, you go ahead and click on submit. It is that simple, right? You don't have to do anything else, right? So but I've created a short video. If this is confusing, I'm going to leave that short video in the description of this very video, and I'm also going to leave the long form video in the description of this video, right? So you want to watch the two of them, or you watch the YouTube short, and I believe you get the information on how to do this. But I would suggest you watch the long form video because that's where I get to explain things properly. I broke things down for you to understand as much as possible, okay? And after watching that, you can now watch the short form video and you get to refresh your memory, and by the time you're done watching these two videos, you will be very knowledgeable on how to complete this very process, right? So this is basically what you have to do. Now after you click that submit button, you get to see a notification on your screen telling you that you have successfully submitted your Ari Discord information, right? Your wallet information, something like that, right? So once you see that very notification, you have to pay attention. You have to be attentive to see that, because the moment you drop that, it's going to just zoom off, because a lot of people are commenting on this very chat, right? As I time of creating this video, a lot of people have not really discovered that this is available, so the chat is still slow. But by the time this information circulates, you want to make sure that you pay attention to see that very notification that indicates that you successfully submitted your wallet information, right? Your in-app information. So this is basically what you need to know regarding this update. Go ahead and do this now, because we just have 2 days left. I believe before 20 hours I am going to drop this video on my channel, right? And by the time you've seen this video, it will just be 48 hours left. I always had this feeling it's going to be close to the end date or the deadline that this would happen, so do not miss out on this. Go do this right now so that you partake or be part of those who get rewarded, right? Despite you don't actually know if the reward will be good, but the most important thing is that you have to do this, and you have to do it fast, right? You have to move fast. So this is basically the video I have for you today. For more updates like this, you want to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I drop any video like this. Also follow our social media handle, because that's where I drop information first before I create a video, right? Because sometimes creating a video can take a lot of time. So once you're in my community, all right, my Telegram, Facebook or WhatsApp community, you get to receive that update firsthand before the video comes up, right? Also share this video so that other people out there will be able to see this and get theirs done I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care and goodbye.